again in front of the Wakita Tower. A lot of the footage here is going to be a lot of drone footage as well as just miscellaneous footage. I ended up becoming really popular on TikTok thanks to Zoe. That we did some kind of weird truck mating ritual thingy. But other than that, enjoy our wonderful footage of the Wakita Tower and our shots from it. And we had Sean and Wendle also came up and signed Mel's Dorothy, some of the other trucks, and even my truck. They put their signatures in. It's really cool, honestly. So enjoy. No.
Here.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I've got a small stack of them.
I should put this next to the Oklahoma Polytechnic car.
Yeah, for sure. You're a double agent.
That's so cool.
Things happen every day.
Okay, sure. Heck yeah.
Well, I gave them to the trucks.
I'll make sure it gets
Oh,
the water?
What
do you want?
When you gave them to me, they were there.
Oh, that carburetor? Diesel. Diesel. Yeah.
It's a diesel.
That's a injection pump.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I remember that. That's crazy.
Yeah.
It's like,
Yeah, it was fun looking inside.
I bet it was.
It has turbo too.
That is awesome.
Turbo diesel 4-wheel drive van.
Japan.
Yeah, exactly.
All these dragonflies.
Yeah, dude.
That's awesome, man. Cause I figure that's the safest place.
Yeah.
Clear coated this time?
Yes.
You didn't when Reed Timmer signed it? Clear coat.
We got you.
We will buy clear coated all
Yes,
down.
we will go get clear coat for
And we'll
you.
do this.
Yeah,
We'll do it while it's in Mel's truck. That way you get.
No.
I made it a little weird for you, bro.
That's all good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, they did. That's
I'll,
true.
I'll write what I wrote in the movie.
You don't believe me? You can ask.
You can write whatever you like. You can write, but Sean wrote some creative folding the maps. Always fold the maps.
Yeah.
And don't listen to Rabbit.
He's so funny. He's like, why does that seem funny? I go, because we know you're lying.
I'm not sure. Do you guys want? Did Sean sign Dorothy? Yeah. Sean signed. Can I climb up in?
You put the gate down.
Oh, I want to climb. I've been sitting all day. You guys, I never got to be in the truck when we shot it. Remember?
Yeah.
Because I was on the ground.
Right.
But Helen was jumping up and down.
Yep.
This is my first time in the truck. Okay, did Sean sign it too?
Yeah, Sean's signature.
I'll sign it in
I didn't do it.
It wasn't me this time.
My registration's clean. I did not bring the expired one.
You didn't see all Zoe's license plates?
Yeah.
Well, Matthew's gone, so one can wonder.
Okay, does it matter where? Kind of over here?
I mean, not as
I
in
want
not here.
it to be visible, right?
Yeah,
You
he's
guys
just
sign
around
it
the
over
corner.
Oh yeah, that'd be perfect.
Oh, yeah. Should I write just, maybe I should put Oklahoma since I sing it in the movie?
Oklahoma.
Or I could put, I could put That'd Be Sweet. It's your truck.
Sure, that'd be sweet.
It's your truck, right?
That is his door.
Your truck.
Yeah.
Oh, you're Dorothy. That'd be sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Should I sign it to you? I could put two or not.
You just put Wendle on it. That
Okay,
would be
cool.
great.
We definitely gonna need to buy some fruit after this.
Yeah. Reed Timmer signed
Yeah,
this, and you
so-
didn't
yeah,
clear coat it, and
sure.
it faded away.
Dude, I'm so excited for you. I wish mine was done. You guys make me jealous. All I got is my license plate.
You're
Not bad, right?
All I am is a real stone
Bad.
fisher. I don't do the rest of it. Yeah.
You can't get better.
Cool.
You gotta go back to the
This is
Chevy, man.
amazing. You made this.
Okay, I gotta.
I know. I need my Suburban back.
Can I get a picture of
I was
you?
gonna say I found the sides too, and I didn't know what to do because he says you sold it. I was like,
I want to get. What I want to do is get an actual 4x4 2500
Based on the real model.
and just put the dually axle underneath it.
underneath it. Nothing inside.
You know, I was waiting to like. Cool. Oh, gotta put on my Kane's glasses. Cool.
Get my hair flipping.
Cool. Going green, guys.
1, 2, 3.
Wait, my hand's just hanging out here, not doing nothing. Some great actor said, if you don't know what to do with your hands, put them in your pockets. Anthony Hopkins.
I think I've heard that actually.
Yeah, it's good advice.
Stick it up your.
Everyone's just hanging. When you start acting, you're like, what are my hands doing? I feel like everybody's like looking at my hands. Nobody's looking at your hands.
Hands.
1, 2, 3. Beautiful.
Great
Awesome.
light.
Great sunset right
Glad
now.
we're doing this at this time. Maybe I'll take glasses. No glasses. Doesn't matter. Are you guys getting a glare with my glasses?
It was fine.
That's fine.
Yeah.
The character work
With
glasses.
this lighting.
So we all wanted to take a group photo together. Sean had to leave and catch his plane as soon as possible, but Wendle stayed and shared some great stories of her time on the set of Twister. It was really awesome. While trying to get the sunset with the drone, I figured why not take a group photo with it instead, and even better, have fun doing it and record us like we're in our own movie. With the tool battery running the Dorothy lights, it made it even better. Jesus Denver also got his Delica signed by Wendle as well. I thank you very much, Sean and Wendle, very much for coming out and signing our vehicles. That's awesome. Can't forget the Leaving Wakita scene taking place at near twilight. I ran into an issue with the Maverick 2 due to a new firmware update, so it wasn't as good as I wanted it to be, but hey, it still works. We're hunting twisters in pitch darkness. There's Wakita Tower. Oh no, Mel's too fast, but there we go, down the road.